Welcome back to our series on building and deploying the AI podcast project. If you haven't already, check out the previous videos where we set up the project and build the functionality for generating audio clips. You'll find the links in the description below. In this video, we'll explore how to run the project locally. Specifically, we'll start the project with Nitric, dive into the architecture diagram using the local dashboard, test the API Explorer to submit a job, and track the entire process from batch job history to the generated audio clip. Let's get started. So the first step is to launch the project locally. I'll do this by running nitric start in the terminal. This command sets up a local development environment, including all our services, storage buckets, and resources. Next, let's open up the Nitric local dashboard to review the project's architecture. Here you can see everything we've configured so far, including services, APIs, batch jobs, storage buckets, and other resources. This visualization helps ensure everything is wired up correctly and gives a clear overview of how the project is structured. Now I'll test the project by heading over to the API Explorer in the dashboard. We'll use the audio filename endpoint to submit a job. Let's use podcast as the file name, and I'll type some example text for the audio. Once submitted, this request will trigger our batch job to generate the audio. After submitting the job, we can head over to the logs in the console to see the job being processed. Back in the dashboard, we can look at the batch job submission history to confirm the job was received and processed successfully. This is useful for troubleshooting or monitoring. Once the audio file is generated, we can check it out in the clips bucket, which we can inspect directly in the dashboard. From there, you can download the file, as well as perform other actions like deleting the file and viewing the file structure of your bucket. One neat feature of running Nitric locally is that you can view all the files stored in your bucket directly on your machine. So let's play the audio clip. If we go back to VS Code, you'll see under the .nitric run buckets folder, you can view all your storage bucket files. I'll navigate there, open up the audio file we just generated, and play it.
Hi viewers, please leave a like and subscribe.
And that's it for running the AI podcast project locally. You can test and refine your project before deploying it, which we'll cover in the next video, deploying the project to AWS. If you have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.